Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have my second gift guide of the year. We are moving down the list and up in price point. Today we're doing gifts from Amazon under $25. If you missed last week's, I'm doing one every single week. This one was gifts or stocking stuffers under $15. So you can watch that if you haven't already. But today I have something for everyone on your list. Everything will be linked down below. And if you need any more recommendations, you can head over to my Amazon shop. I have a list for every single price point and category, and even more ideas. You can always watch last year's gift guides. I've been doing these since 2018, so watch those if you haven't already. And you can follow me on Instagram. I've been trying to post flash deals on my stories, that way y'all don't miss out, especially with Black Friday coming up. I think that's everything I have to say. I'll link my very festive holiday dress and my Amazon earrings down below. Let's get into it. The Lulu bum bag belt bag was so popular last year. It's even more popular now that it has been sold out. But this is from Amazon. It's such a good alternative. This one is only $17. It comes in so many different colors. It's the exact same dimensions. Has the same adjustable waist strap. Literally used it this morning to go to Target. It's such a good bag. It has the little compartments and zippers just like the Lulu one. So if you don't want to spend a ton of money, you have a lot of people to gift to, or simply you just can't find the Lulu one, this one is such a good alternative. I love this cheese board. It comes with the cutting tools, it comes with chalk to write, and then little labels, these little bowls, and then this little tray that you can write on. So fun, super inexpensive, perfect for entertaining or the holidays, and it makes the best gift. In my under 15 gift guide, I showed the smaller version of the Stunning Clever Lookalike bag. This one though is one of my favorites, especially for someone who has kids. This is dirty because it's usually full of Olivia snacks, and I just stick it in the car or in my bag, and I love having this. I've had it for months now and it's my go-to. There's also ones that say baby or mama or travel, so there's an option for everyone. One of my all-time favorite Amazon kitchen finds is this rotary grater. It grates any cheese or any veggie. It comes with 2 other attachments. So quick, so easy to clean. All the pieces come apart. You can stick them in the dishwasher. This suctions into the countertop so it doesn't move around. It makes everything so seamless and easy. For anyone that loves to cook, this is a perfect gift. And it's one of those things where a lot of people haven't even heard of them or don't think they're gonna use them, but once they have them, they love them. My parents were one of those people, so highly recommend. This is one of my favorite gifts to recommend for under $25, because even if they already own something like this, you can always use another. This is a tote bag organizer insert to keep like Neverfulls and other tote bags like that nice and organized. I love this one because it has a slot for water bottle or just like a cup holder, and it has so many different compartments, and also the fact that this middle part comes off so you can add more stuff if you're traveling or something like that. It comes in different colors and different sizes. I think this is like a no-brainer for moms, mother-in-laws, anyone. Y'all start giving people packing cubes. They are an amazing gift. They are so darn useful, and I could always use more. They're all packed up right now. I have this set right here that comes with a ton more stuff. I love the color. I love the quality. I think this one, for being under 25, has the sizes are great, but also the quality is amazing. I've been using these for years. Think for anyone on your list, men, co-workers, friends, anyone. Probably one of my top 10. This is a very slim and compact mirror that stands up on its own and also has LED lighting and different settings. It's less than $25, travel must have, and it's such a good gift. Oh my god, why can't I turn it off? Y'all. Oh, there we go. It's such a good gift. It comes in different colors. I just have the white one. I love the idea of a meaningful gift that's still pretty functional. So I found these recipe boxes that come with the recipe cards inside. There's all kinds of different patterns and sizes for the boxes. You can also purchase the card on their own. They sell them separately. And what I'm gonna do, because I love the way Dante's aunts cook, I think they are amazing cooks, I want want to give them some of these so they can write them down and we can pass them on to the next generation so they can learn how to cook, and hopefully I can learn some Mexican recipes. But I think this is such a cute idea. I just love the idea of having something physical like this. You could always do digital recipes and all that stuff, but something about the handwriting and the ingredients and the little notes, I think it's so personal and just very sentimental. This is one of my go-to gifts, especially for adults in my life, because my mom was always making soups and making a mess, adding them to like a blender and then transferring them back to the pot. And last year I gave her like a really nice one. You can get this at any price point depending on how much you want to spend. This one is less than 20 bucks. I believe I paid $17 for it, and it also comes with this whisk attachment that also comes in handy, so darn useful. It also comes in different colors if you're not digging the red. This is a little magnetic set that goes on the side or on your dryer, and it's supposed to hold all the lint. I love this so much. Like, I don't know what I used to do without this. I cannot believe it's so affordable. It comes with this one. You can put honestly anything in here, the cleaner, and then the larger one. I emptied it about once a week. Game changer. I actually went to one of my husband's best friend's house and I saw it on their dryer, and I asked his girlfriend, I was like, do you get this because of my stories? And she was like, yes, thank you. So that's your sign, just get it. My mom is getting it, probably my mother-in-law, my aunt could probably use this. Just, it's amazing. I love to give functional gifts and gift recommendations, so this I feel like would make a great stocking stuffer, a great idea for a man. It has so many different ones. It goes flat on your wall. It even comes with a screw so it doesn't move around, and I also really like that it has 2 USB ports but also one for the new iPhone charger. I think this is great, and it's really inexpensive and such a nice functional gift. This $20 sunglass organizer has been consistently a bestseller on my channel from every gift guide I've done every single year for like 4 years now. So that tells you how good it is. It is real leather. It has this very nice glass top so you can see, and it has 8 slots. We keep way more than 8 sunglasses in here, but they sell bigger ones. They sell ones that are different colors and different materials. I always recommend this for men. I think it's a great idea, but also obviously for anyone in your life that could benefit from having this. One of my favorite gifts, if I don't know someone super well and they are of age, is a wine decanter that's around 20 bucks on Amazon, and a nice Trader Joe's bottle of wine. And it's such an inexpensive gift that people usually love. These were the most popular slippers last year and one of the most popular shoes. I feel like this year the UGG minis are very popular, but if you want to get something that's around 20 bucks and super adorable, especially if you have teenagers that you're gifting to, or honestly, y'all, I'm 27, I freaking love these. I wear them a ton. They come in different colors with the little smiley faces. They fit pretty true to size. I'm a 7 and I wear a size 7. So this is such a cute idea, and you can truly find this anywhere, but it would be like a little popcorn bucket, and then either getting seasoning salt or different butters and flavorings for popcorn, adding them to this and wrapping it. Even like movies you can add to this. I don't know, I think using this as like the gift base would be adorable. Bar stuff is always fun to gift if people are of age and they like to drink or they like mixology or things like that. And you can always combine them with like a liquor bottle to make it like a bigger gift if you feel like spending more. 3 things that I actually got for my husband during Christmas last year. I got him this set of bitters. Came in the cutest little box, and as you can see, he's definitely used them quite a bit. I also got him these really pretty bitters bottles. These are so nice. They come as a set, or you can just get them individually. And then this was the hit of last year. So many of y'all bought it. My husband loved it. He's gotten it for friends since, and these are just Himalayan salt tequila shooters or shot glasses. They come in a pack of 4, and as you can see, they're different sizes because we've actually used them. And not that I like to drink tequila, especially not as a shot, but this definitely makes it a little better because you don't need the salt. You can just lick it. I was concerned about, you know, using this with other people, so I still haven't, but one of you commented that salt cleanses itself. So there you have it, and it comes with this lining inside so you can still wash them or clean them. I guess you can't get these wet or they'll dissolve. For Secret Santas, for friends, or boyfriends, husbands, anyone that likes to take shots like this. And it's very unique. I feel like I haven't really seen it go around. Like, people get so excited when they see it and they're like, oh my god, I can't believe I've never heard of that. This is one of those things that I personally would have loved to receive as a gift, because it's something that I didn't buy until I absolutely needed it, and now I love it and cannot live without it. This is an electric balloon pump. You can find them on Amazon. There's always a sale on these, and they're all literally identical. A lifesaver, I actually have two now. Kind of random. I actually got it recently for our Halloween party, and I thought it would be a great gift for either white elephant, for any guy in your life, or for someone who you know likes to throw parties, because it was super fun to have. It comes in a 2-pack for $20. It's sound activated. It comes with 2 remote controls. It's really cool, and it's something that I feel like most people, unless like they consistently throw parties or are into this kind of stuff, don't buy for themselves or buy like last minute, but it's something super fun to actually have. Amazon has a ton of different options when it comes to these magnetic, or actually you can put this on any smooth surface, so you can even put this like on your desk or anything like that, but they're usually around $16. You can get different kinds. We have the calendar, we have this that says we're out of, that comes in a 2-pack. We also have this to plan out the week. We usually stick it on our fridge, but you can really put it anywhere. You can divide it up or give it as a set. I think this is great, especially for coworkers. This is a great jewelry organizer. It comes with actually 4 of these for only $16. They all have different inserts. This one is for rings or earrings. Very useful. They stack. Love the fact that they're velvet. You can add them to your drawers in your closet, in your dresser, in your nightstand. I use these a ton. I actually have an entire gift guide that I did a few years back for Mother's Day, and a lot of these can be applied to Christmas because they would be great for moms, grandmas, aunts, mother-in-laws, people in your life like that. I love the idea of giving kitchen stuff. I said this in my first gift guide. This bread box is super cute, very unique. They come in like different colors, tones. You can even get them wooden ones, and I feel like at least my family members don't have it, and it would be so cute. It conceals all the bread inside, tortillas, things like that, and it keeps them like fresher. It's cute, it's a decor piece, and it doesn't break the bank. So guys, that's everything for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next ones. The next one will be gift ideas under $35, and honestly, you have no idea, but that's my favorite one because most things are like a little over $26, and like most things that I love from Amazon are under $50. So I'm so excited to get into the next ones, and then I'm gonna be sharing all the Black Friday deals and all that good stuff, so don't you worry. I also wanted to do a quick little giveaway in today's video because I really like to just choose random people that I always recognize their names in my videos. So today I want you to comment, let's see, comment of the day. If you could go anywhere for the holidays, where would you go? It could be something extremely crazy, like I would go to Antarctica, or it could be I would go to my grandma's house. So let me know, and I'll try to do one Amazon giveaway in every single video from now until Christmas. That way I can say thank you to you guys. So make sure to comment that, and if you win, I'll contact you over on Instagram. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are enjoying the gift guides, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.